Who's ready for some good times and tan lines? You won't be ready this summer until you grab our new June Morphe Me brushes to create some glowing looks. In this collection, you're getting 5 brushes that'll have you slaying all summer long. Get ready to add a new brow smudger, pointed powder, oval shadow, and small round contour brush to your collection. If you want to see how I created this look using these brushes, keep watching. Starting with my brows, I'm using my M216 stiff brow brush to fill them in. Then I'm taking my M326 Precision Smudger brush to perfect my brows with concealer. Moving on to the eyes, I'm taking the shade Kangaroo from my Let's Do Makeup and LiveGlam Shadow Me palette and packing that onto my crease with my E15 Oval Shadow Brush. After blending that out, I'm grabbing the shade Rongo and packing that all over my lid with that same brush. Moving on to the face, I'm applying foundation, concealer, bronzer, and powder to set everything. Going back to the eyes, I'm sweeping Kangaroo on my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking my E49 flat pointed powder brush to apply highlight on my cheeks, nose, and Cupid's bow. Then finishing up by adding the shade Christina on my inner corner for a pop of shimmer. To finish up the eyes, I'm applying some lashes and mascara to my bottom lashes. Lastly, I'm applying my Kiss Me Lippy and No Flocks Given to complete this look. After you dive into these brushes, give us a tag on Instagram at liveglam.co and use our hashtag LiveGlamFam so that we can see the gorgeous look you create with these. Stay glam!